Okay, this is a project here. We have a scratch, as you can see. Someone scratched F U C excuse me, K in the back of my car here. Yeah, I was up Actually, I was up fishing, and I came back. My car was parked in a kind of a backwoods area where you got to go park your car when you go fishing. And I came back and somebody scratched this in the car. You can see it. So I was quoted at about $500 something to fix it. And I think I'm gonna fix it myself. I put this little logo on it just to kind of hide it, but you can see visibly the scratch. F U C K. Yep. The scratch F-U-C-K in the back of my vet. So welcome to America. Welcome to America. I'm gonna bleep that out. So I could use it for that. This should be the body color of the paint. Sand it down, and I think I'm gonna use it for that. So we'll use the other paint for the interior.